If you're landing brand deals, you already know the hardest part isn't making the content. It's knowing what to charge. Most creators price a sponsorship on a feeling. This workbook replaces the guessing with a number you can actually defend. It starts with your rate card. Enter your average reach for each deliverable, a reel, a TikTok, a YouTube video, and a floor CPM, the least you'll accept per 1,000 views. The workbook returns a base rate for everyone, straight from your own analytics. Not a figure a bigger creator once mentioned, yours. Then you price the whole deal. Pick the deliverables a brand wants, and the deal pricing tab builds the quote, then prices the things a flat fee always forgets: usage rights, whitelisting, and exclusivity. It shows the effective CPM the fee works out to, so you know at a glance whether a deal clears your floor or quietly falls beneath it. That's the money most creators give away for free. Every deal lands on the pipeline, from first pitch to paid in full. The agreed fee, the upfront you collected, and the balance still owed, so you always know what's live and whose payment is running late. One row per contracted post keeps every deadline in front of you. What's due, what's posted, and what's waiting on the brand's approval. Nothing slips through the DMs. As deals pay, the income tab shows what your content really earned, per view, per post, and per hour, so you can see which brands and platforms actually pay, and price the next deal off real numbers instead of a guess. There's an expenses and tax tab for the $10.99 side, a dashboard that rolls it all up, and 5 plain English guides that teach the method behind every tab. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. With a one-click make a copy sheet, no importing. It's a workbook you own, not a monthly app you rent. Try the free rate calculator to start, then get the full workbook at Ardent Workshop or on Etsy. Price your next brand deal like the business it is.